So we're at Wendy's right now, and we're gonna do the Wednesday eating ASMR. Okay, first off, we did get the blood beverage. Comes with a nice beverage. And then we got the meal. There's nothing happy about this meal. So it is not a Happy Meal. And inside the meal, we've got the nuggets. We did get the spicy. They have the original and then they have the spicy. This is the spicy. Secret sauce. Don't know what it is because it's black. Okay, if you're thinking about the meal that you'll get a burger, it doesn't come with a burger. Spicy fry. It comes with your nuggets. This is what you get for the Wednesday meal. So there's no burgers. This is just the nuggets, the fries, and this beverage. Then that looks so cool. It's the Wendy's Wednesday. So we're gonna go ahead and eat some of these and some of this for our ASMR. Okay. Here's the secret sauce. It smells like a ranch. Nugget. That is your secret sauce. It's almost like pickled. Tastes good with the spicy though. Really good. So it's like a spicy ranch, is what it is. So good. If you like spicy, this secret sauce is spicy. Tastes really good. Okay, so we have another secret sauce right here. This is like blood. We are going to try almost tastes like cherry. It's definitely spicy. The other one was a ranch. This one's a little bit spicier, especially if you get the spicy nuggets. Very good. So now we're gonna go finish up our fries and we'll come back with our Frosty. Okay, now we're gonna eat our Frosty. This is the Spoon of Gloom. Open it up. We get a nice purple spoon with a skull and a bird. And then we are going to have our Frosty. Let's open up this Frosty and hope we don't get anything spilled on us. Oh, it looks so good. Normal Frosty, but with a strawberry.
OMG, my phone just dropped.
We had technical difficulties. My phone just fell. It's literally on my steering wheel. This is so good. So if you're interested in this Wednesday meal that is offered only for a limited time here at Wendy's, I would definitely say get yourself one. You will not regret it. Tastes really good. It doesn't come with a burger, but it comes with the nuggets, fries, and this drink right here. So definitely must try.